G'day! In today's video, I'm opening up a OnePlus 7 Pro, or at least that's the model I believe it to be. This one is in here for liquid damage, which, taking out the SIM tray, has revealed it is still quite damp. So I'm not sure what the chance of revival of this will be, but I want to take this back cover off and get in there first. So I'll use isopropyl, a thin metal pry tool, wet that up, and slide between the gap. And this has also been on my blue heat mat for around about 4 minutes at 75 degrees Celsius, which does assist in getting the back cover off. Now I need a little bit more isopropyl. I've had very little to do with these models of phones, so I'm curious to see what I'm going to find. Taking off that little bit of metal, or potentially an antenna line right there. Bugger. I'll slide this over, and let's get unscrewing. So I'm curious to see if there's any white corrosion on the various connectors that are on the phone, which that will definitely stop it from starting. So when the customer brought this in and said they've got a liquid damage phone, I was typically seeing iPhones or Samsungs. Granted, my repair rate on those is very low, but he goes, I've got a OnePlus. And I said, oh no, I've got nothing for that phone. But he said, still crack it open, take a look, take some photos of the damage for him. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Hopefully find that it's just a little bit of corrosion that can be cleared off with some isopropyl, and from there the phone can be revived to at least get data off there, because as with everybody, they only want their photos. Where are my tweezers? Stubborn screws. Now I'll work to the upper half. Weird thing is, this phone has a strange minty smell coming from it, which is quite odd. I'm not sure if it's been bathed in mouthwash or what may have happened to it. Granted, the vast majority of the time when people say they've got liquid damage, they mean it fell in a toilet. I swear it's about 75% of people that go, oh, my phone's got liquid damage. The vast majority of the times it's, oh, well, what did it fall in? Did you spill a drink on it? Did you do this? Did you do that? Oh, it's a bit embarrassing, but no, I usually interrupt and go, toilet, wasn't it? You go, yeah. I go, yeah, everyone's a toilet. Which usually shocks them, but it shouldn't really shock them. They're part of the statistics. They've done it. Someone else is probably going to done it. The biggest thing that stops repairs, I find, is typically one hidden screw under here. Biggest thing that usually kills any chance of repair is salt water. If it goes in the ocean, you're probably going to be screwed. Okay. Off. Yep, I'm seeing a bit of corrosion down here. Disconnect the battery. The bottom half of the cover. If I can get that out. Disconnect. 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 More corrosion down the bottom here. Now, as we can see, along here, corrosion here. Luckily nothing really much going up here. Yeah, probably going to be no good. As you can see, that connection down here is blackened, which normally is not a good sign. This one here is actually strangely good. So in this particular connector here, there's a rubber gasket around that, and that's actually stopped any liquid getting to it. Disappointingly, same scenario. I think this is the under fingerprint scanner. Similar scenario there. And we're looking up the top here. As we can see, I think that's a moisture indicator. That's definitely gone off. Fine. Fine. Not fine. That one did have the foam gasket on it, but still no good. Oops, sorry guys, I thought you were in focus. So yeah, no good here. So, I'm not liking the chances of being able to get anything off there. I'm just going to give these a clean with alcohol and try them. We'll take some photos first and then give it a try, but I don't think I'm going to have much luck at all on this one. So with the OnePlus, there wasn't really much more to show with that one, mainly due to the fact that the liquid damage, I couldn't get it to display. The PC would come up with unknown device detected if I connected it up. Possibly you could replace the charger flex cable that runs underneath the battery to the top of the main board, or also change the daughter board which has the connection for the display, both of which were heavily corroded, but I really didn't have much luck with that one. So you win some, you lose some. That will do. See you.